Hi everyone, it's Susanna and Erhan, and today we want to talk about remote controllers. So we are in 2016, and we have very smart TVs with apps and entertainment and interaction. But our remote controllers are maybe not so smart. So a lot of solutions have been produced and implemented, but nothing is really on the market. And what we think is really needed, it's a small, simple control device with a long battery life that can discover automatically devices in their own network, and that is not influenced by light or position of the user. So what we realized for this prototype in our project is it's not so small, this device, because unfortunately we wanted to use electronic components for accelerometer and gyroscope. Right now we are using the sensor inside of the smartphone, so what you have to think about, the sensors are the core of our project, not the smartphone that he has in his hand. And from there he can control the screen. In this case we use a desktop, but we try to integrate it also with the smart TV, with the multi-screen SDK. And so we think that these microelectronic mechanics sensors are the future of remote controllers. And what we thought about in the future is to integrate those sensors in small wearable devices, like for example a ring or a glove or a bracelet, so the user can simply stay on the couch and use the ring, for example, to scroll the news on their TV or to lower the volume. So that's basically our idea, and this is the working prototype. And yes, hands-on, because you have full control on your screens and TVs. Thanks.
We are going to do it simple and with long battery life. For example, it can be like a simple ring or bracelet with few years battery life, and it can connect directly your devices over Bluetooth low energy or kind of this stuff. Yeah, okay, let's see. And now for the prototype, we just put two gestures, like scroll up and scroll down. Yeah, just this. Of course, we can improve it, yeah, in the time. Thank you.
So, you're done in time. Great. Thanks. So, more jury questions.
So I'm curious to hear, what were you thinking about? You know, like what if the person is like eating a hamburger?
While eating. Yeah, that's yeah. So we could have different type of devices. You know, also something it could just be like on you. It grabbed on you and follows your movements. It doesn't have to be on your finger if you want to eat chips while watching television. So yeah, that's up to you. Our idea, it was more to use sensors that are sending data through the Wi-Fi, so in your same network, so nothing that is related to a camera or that couldn't work with low light, or if you are far away from the TV because it's working with Bluetooth and stuff, things like that. So that was our idea project.
And how does this connect with the rest of the experience? What if there is not only horizontal, there's horizontal and vertical scrolling, and then there's also
yeah,
text
exactly.
input?
Yeah, for example, we can make click with this move or like that. Yeah, it can be easy, but we had some electronic toys, but we had some trouble with that. And now we are just using phone sensors. Yeah, they are limited sensors. That's so. Yeah. But there are so cool toys online. Even we can do it with that. Yeah.
Yeah, with the
and in this way, I'm an electronic engineer. Yeah, I know what I do.
Yeah, exactly. With the gyroscope, you can capture different gestures, not just up and down, but also if you do it faster, then it can, for example, up the volume faster or lower the volume faster, things like that.
kind of what kind of technology does the users need to have? Like any kind of special TVs, or how does it work technologically?
Yeah, so the example we tried to do with the Samsung Smart TV, it will require, of course, a little bit of work from the app side, so the app should support this multi-screen function, but from the user perspective, nothing changes. Of course, if you have a normal screen of a normal TV, you can try to build applications like we did, for example, for this desktop. We just trigger the controllers that are already in your device. So we just trigger the scroll. So it could also be that your application can understand which type of device is talking with and trigger the right controls. But this is a step over. I think the best integration will be with smart TVs that already have this kind of interaction implemented.
Multimedia devices.